Okay, now that we're in our thinking couch, let's think. So, what could be making that strange sound, with small cheese and this shadow? Well, I think, whatever's been making that strange noise, must be really small. And maybe, it could be something that has this shadow. But what about this cheese? Well, maybe it's some sort of small animal, that might have this shadow, and maybe eat cheese too. So if it's a small animal, that has this shadow, and eats cheese, what kind of animal is that?
A mouse.
A mouse? Yeah, that's it. The strange sound we've been hearing, is a mouse? Because a mouse is really small, they eat cheese, and they have a shadow that looks like this. That must have been what's making that strange noise. We just figured out Kipper's clues. 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 Because we're really smart. And good thing too. There's that sound again.
It looks like it's coming from the snack room.
Hey, what's this fox doing here?
Not sure. Wait, look. There's a hole in that box. That mouse must be in there.
A hole? How'd that happen? Hello?
Do you mind? I'm trying to get some sleep.
The mouse? That's the mouse that's been making that strange noise we've been hearing.
Oh, so you were looking for me?
Yes, actually. We've been hearing that squeaking sound all day, but we didn't know what it was. That's why we've been all over the house trying to figure out what it was.
So it was you that's been making that strange noise?
Yep, that was me. Mice make a squeaking sound. And, I'm sorry for having everyone jump from my sound. This is a nice house you've got here.
Thank you. I'm Justin, this is my dog Kipper, and this is our friend. What's your name?
I'm Mouse. Pleased to meet you.
You too. We're very happy to meet you. Why don't we make a home for you here in our house, so you can live here with us?
I'd like that.
Great. Follow me please, I may have an idea for you to live.
Wow, looks like we made a new friend, and a new house member, thanks to that strange noise.